This is a funny story by O. Henry. It is. About two men who want to get easy. Money. They have a plan. They want to. Kidnap a rich man's boy and ask for money. But the plan does not work. The boy is not scared. He is happy to be away from home. He thinks it is a game. He gives the men new names. He plays with them like they are toys. He talks, jumps, laughs, and fights all the time. The men get tired. They are afraid of the boy. Now they want to send him back. But the boy does not want to go home. This story shows that crime is not easy. Sometimes the plan looks good, but the result is bad. In this story, you learn English grammar and have fun at the same time. Chapter 1, A Bad Idea Begins. My name is Sam. I work with my friend, Bill. One day, we have a crazy idea. We want to kidnap a child and ask for money. We think it is a good plan. We hope to get $2,000. We believe the plan is easy. We go to a small town in Alabama. The town is called Summit. It looks quiet and peaceful. We choose a boy to kidnap. His name is Johnny Dorset. He is the son of a rich man, Mr. Ebenezer Dorset. We think his father will pay the money quickly. Bill says, "It is a perfect plan," but soon we find out that we are wrong. One evening, we see Johnny on the street. He throws rocks at a kitten. Bill says, "Hey, little boy, do you want some candy and a ride?" Johnny does not answer. Instead, he throws a brick and hits Bill in the eye. "Ouch," says Bill. "This boy is trouble." Still, we take Johnny to a cave in the mountains. We think it is a safe place to hide. Bill and I stay with the boy. Johnny does not cry. He does not look scared. He is happy. He laughs and plays. He calls himself Red Chief and pretends to be an Indian. He says, "I am Snake Eye the Spy," and Bill is Old Hank the Trapper. He says, "I will scalp Old Hank at sunrise." Bill starts to worry. Chapter 2, A Big Problem Begins. Johnny loves camping in the cave. He talks a lot. He runs and jumps and screams. He never sleeps. Bill and I cannot rest. Bill says, "This boy is wild. He is not afraid. He hurts me." I say, "Let's wait. Maybe the father will pay the ransom soon." At night, Johnny sleeps between us, but he kicks Bill all the time. He even tries to cut Bill's hair with a knife while he sleeps. Bill wakes up and screams, "Sam, this kid is crazy. I can't take it anymore." Next day, we write a letter to Mr. Dorset. We ask for $1,500 instead of $2,000. Bill says, "I will pay the $500 difference. Just get him off my back." Johnny runs around the cave and plays more games. He says, "I want to be the Black Scout now. I need a horse." Bill says, "You can ride me." He gets down on his hands and knees. Johnny jumps on his back and kicks him. Bill says, "Sam, please, send that letter fast." Chapter 3, A Strange Morning. In the morning, I get up early. I sit by the rock and smoke my pipe. Bill does not sleep well. He looks tired. Bill says, "Why do you get up so early?" I say, "I have a pain in my shoulder. I think I need to stretch it." Bill says, "You're scared. You know Red. Chief wants to burn you at sunrise." I laugh, but maybe Bill is right. That kid is not normal. He plays rough and he always shouts. Bill tries to rest, but Red Chief puts a hot potato down his back. Then he kicks Bill again. Bill cries and shakes. Later, we write a ransom letter to Mr. Dorset. We say, "We have your boy. If you want him back, pay us $1,500. Put the money under a tree near Owl Creek. Answer us by tonight." We sign the letter. 2 desperate men. I go to the town to send the letter. While I am gone, Bill takes care of Red Chief. When I come back, Bill looks very tired. He is sweating. The boy rides on his back and hits him with a stick. Bill says, "Sam, please, just give him back. We do not need the money." We wait for a reply. In the evening, a boy on a bicycle brings a note from Mr. Dorset. It says, "Take Johnny home. I will not pay you, but if you bring him back tonight, I will. Pay you $250. That is my offer." Bill reads the note. His face turns red. He says, "Let's take the offer. 1 more night with this kid, and I go. Crazy." I agree. Yes, we take him back tonight. Chapter 4. The Escape Plan. We tell Johnny that we will go home. He does not want to go. He says, "I want to hunt bears tomorrow. I want to be a cowboy." We say, "No, your father wants you at home." That night, we go to Mr. Dorset's house. We knock on the door. Mr. Dorset opens it. He looks calm. "Where is the money?" Bill asks. Mr. Dorset hands him $250 and takes Johnny inside. Johnny does not want to leave Bill. He cries and holds Bill's leg. His father pulls him away. Johnny says, "I want to stay with old Hank. I don't want to go home." Bill runs away fast. I say, "Wow, I have never seen a man run that fast." We run far from Summit. We do not look back. Bill says, "Sam, this is the last time I ever kidnap anyone." I say, "You are right. Crime does not pay." And that is the story of how we lost money and nearly lost our minds because of one little boy, Red Chief. After we give Johnny to his father, we feel so happy and free, but the happiness does not last long. The next day, Johnny runs away from home and tries to find us. He thinks we are his friends. He wants to go back to the cave and play more games. Mr. Dorset calls the sheriff, but he does not find Johnny. We hide in a small hotel in a nearby town. Bill checks the window every hour. He thinks the boy will come any moment. Bill says, "Sam, if that boy finds me, again I jump in the river." Chapter 5. The boy comes back. Bill and I decide to leave the state. We take the money Mr. Dorset gave us and go to the train station. We buy 2 tickets to Texas. On the train, Bill looks nervous. He does not eat. He does not talk. He just looks out the window. I say, "You are safe now, Bill." The boy is not here. Bill says, "That boy can find anyone. Maybe he is already in Texas." We both laugh, but a little voice in our mind says, "What if it's true?" In Texas, we try to start a new life. We find small jobs. Bill works as a cook. I sell hats in the market. But Bill jumps every time he hears a child laugh. He does not like to see red-haired boys. He says, "Every boy looks like Red Chief to me now." I say, "Don't worry, he is far away now." Bill says, "No, Sam, Red Chief is always in my mind." Chapter 6. A Letter from Summit. One day I get a letter. It is from Summit. The letter says, "Dear Sam and Bill, Johnny misses you very much. He talks about you every day. He wants to visit. You in Texas. Sincerely, Mr. Dorset." Bill reads the letter. He turns white. He says, "Sam, we move to Canada. Tomorrow." I say, "Yes, we do not tell anyone where we go." Now, years later, I tell people this story. I say, do not kidnap children, especially red-haired boys with big ideas. Bill lives far away now. He does not talk much. But when people ask him about children, he only says one word: no. And Red Chief? Well, maybe he still plays in the hills waiting for new friends. This story teaches a big lesson. Crime looks easy, but it is never worth it. The end.